Hi, Ray Troy here with Dirt Road Dancing, and in this tutorial, we're gonna teach you Keep It Simple. Same song by the James Barker Band. It's a 32 count, 4-wall dance. Pretty easy, but a lot of fun. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe down below and hit that notification bell. We'll let you know every time we come out with a new tutorial. Also, please comment down below. Let us know what you think of the video, or if there's some other great dances you'd like to see us do. Otherwise, let's get to the steps. All right, let's get going with our first 8 counts. As normal, when turn around, so you see exactly what my boots are doing. So our first step, we're gonna rock forward on our right foot for 1. Recover back on our left for 2. Then you're gonna do that triple step cha-cha mambo. I don't remember what it's called, but you're gonna go 3 and 4. Then you're gonna take your left foot back for 5. Recover 6, then do it again, 7 and 8. For those that want to, you can get a little hip into it, right? Here we go. 5, 6, rock forward, right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, now you have your first 8 counts. So let's get into our second 8 counts. This is where the wall change starts to come in. So you can take your right foot. You just did your back triple steps. Your weight is on your left foot. You're gonna take your right foot. You're gonna step, tap out for 2. Now it's a tap out. Don't place weight on it. So you're just gonna tap it out. Little Saturday Night Fever. Cross it over for 3, tap 4. Then you're gonna do a jazz box turn. So we're gonna take it slow. Take your right foot, cross over for 5. Step back 6. Now when you step out with your right, you're gonna quarter turn 7, together 8. All right? So let's do that again slow. Walking forward. You just did your triple. You're gonna step, tap, cross, back, turn together, facing the new wall on your right side. All right, let's put some counts behind that. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, tap 2, 3, tap 4, box 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do all that first 16 counts together. Forward, rock, triples, back rock, triples, and then our step tap. Here we go. Rock forward with our right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, tap 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do it just a little bit faster. Get back up to tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back 5, 6, 7, forward step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now for our third set of 8 counts. This is when we start doing side shuffles. So I'm gonna face this way so you can see what we're doing. Realize that first wall is facing to the right, and then every wall after that. So you just did your box turn. So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna do a side shuffle with the back rock. So you're gonna step to the right, 1 and 2, take your left foot back, 3, recover 4. Then you're gonna do it to your left for 5 and 6, rock 7, 8. So let's do that again, counts. Weights on your left foot, shuffle, rock to your right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, 5, and 6, rock 7, 8. And you're back facing forward. Okay, let's do it one more time, but we're gonna go from the front wall, we're gonna turn to our first wall change, and we're gonna do that rock step. Here we go, shuffling to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, 5, and 6, rock 7, recover 8. Awesome job. All right, let's put all those together. So our first set of 3, okay? So we're gonna start with our forward rocks. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back 5, 6, 7, 4. Walk, rock. 1, tap 2, 3, 4. Box 5, turn 6, 7, side. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, 5, and 6. Rock 7, recover 8. If you're anything like me, that box turned into the shuffle step messed y'all up. So let's go ahead and do it again. And trust me, if you need to, repeat this 8 count all the time, just so you can get used to it. But let's do it again. A little more to tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, forward rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back 5, 6, forward walk. 1 tap, 2, 3, 4. Box 5, 6, 7. Side shuffle. 1 and 2. Rock 3, 4, 5, and 6. Rock 7, 8. All right, your first 3 sets of 8 counts are done. Now it's time for the last set of 8 counts. And this one is the toughest out of all of them. So we're gonna go through it slowly. Again, I'm gonna face this way so you can see what we're doing. So, all right, so you just did your rock step. Now we're gonna grapevine to our right while going into a pivot turn. So you're gonna step out for 1, behind 2, then you're gonna start your turn for 3, 4, see I'm forward on that 4, turn 5, so I didn't take a step, I just pivot turn, 5. Step 6, behind 7, 8. So let's do that again, because I probably messed up too. That's okay, we're gonna do it together, here we go. To the right, you're gonna step 1, 2, turn, 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 back, step. And that back behind step is your really the part that you need to make sure you get, otherwise your left foot and your right foot's gonna be off. So let's walk through it one more time, just because I know I need to. So here you go, you step out with your right for 1, behind 2, step into your turn for 3, step again for 4, and it's like a rock step. So you're rocking, and then you're recovering for 5, step into a turn 6. So you're back to your front wall, or whatever wall you start with. Behind 7, step out 8. All right, counts. Here we go, you see your rock, recover. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, turn 3, turn 4, rock 5, turn 6, 7, 8. One more time, just for good measure. Longest one, repeat this 8 counts as many times as you guys need to get it. This was the hardest part for me. Here you go. Rock, recover, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 behind 2, turn 3, pivot 4, 5, turn 6, 7, 8. All right, let's put it all together. Remember, the first time that we do this, we'll actually be facing that right wall. That's where all our turn steps will come in and all that fun stuff. So just keep it simple as much as possible. Let's get going. Here we go. Forward rock, mambos. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back 5, 6, 7, 4. Walk. 1, tap 2, 3, tap 4. Turn 5, 6, 7. Side shuffle. Right 1 and 2. Rock 3, 4. Left 5 and 6, 7. 1 and 2. Turn, turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it again, a little more to speed. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn 5, 6, 7 to the right. 1 and 2. Rock 3, 4, 5, and 6. Rock 7. Great. Find 1, 2. Turn 3, 4, 5, 6. Behind 7, 8. At this point, your dance is going to restart, right? For 1, 2, 3, and 4, facing your new wall. All right, now that you're ready to stomp it out, it's time to get to the song. Again, this is Keep It Simple by the James Barker Band. If you haven't learned the dance, click on that link right up there. It should be appearing. It'll take you directly to the tutorial. And of course, if you haven't yet, please subscribe down below and comment on what you think of the video. All right, guys, let's stomp it out.